another type of connective tissue, that is of fluid connective tissue. On the basis of that matrix, that connective tissue is of three types: solid matrix, that is skeletal connective tissue; liquid matrix, that is of proper connective tissue; and semi-solid or jelly-like matrix, that is of proper connective tissue; and liquid matrix present, that is known as fluid connective tissue. It is also known as vascular connective tissue. Vascular connective tissue. Firstly, I make up the mind map of vascular connective tissue or flow chart. It is of two types, that is of lymph and another is of blood. Fluid connective tissue or vascular connective tissue of two types, lymph and blood. Lymph again two types, plasma and lymphocytes. And blood is of two types, that is of plasma and blood cells. Plasma and blood cells. Blood cells are of three types. First one is of erythrocytes. Or we can say RBC, red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes. Second one is of WBC or white blood corpuscles or leukocytes. And third one is of platelet. WBC again different type. It is mainly two types. Firstly, that is agranulocytes and granulocytes. Agranulocytes and granulocytes. Agranulocytes, that is of monocytes and another is of lymphocytes. Monocytes and another one is of lymphocytes. Granulocytes of three types, that is neutrophils, second one is of basophils, and third one is of eosinophils. So these are the different types of vascular tissue, that is of lymph, plasma and lymphocytes; blood, plasma and blood cells, that is RBC, WBC, platelets, RBC or erythrocyte, WBC of leukocytes, that is of agranulocyte which not contain granules, and granulocytes that is contain granules. Agranulocytes, monocytes and lymphocytes, and granulocytes like neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils. Now we discuss the different types of blood cells. First is of blood cells. Blood cells, the blood is made up from two parts. One is of plasma and another is of blood cells. Plasma and blood cells. Plasma contain 90 to 92% water and rest 8 to 10% solid substance. 90 to 92% water and rest 8 to 10% solid substance. In this solid substance, different types of protein is there. That is of fibrinogen, thromboplastin, which is help in the blood clotting, and some medicine is there which is intake, we intake. Some waste substance is here, some hormones, vitamins, enzymes, etc. Means that is not present with blood cells. All these other things present with the blood plasma with a solid substance in 8 to 10%. Now, blood cells. Blood cells is of three types we discussed. First one is of RBC. RBC, that is of red blood corpuscles, or we can say erythrocytes. Blood cells, erythrocytes. The number of blood cells is approximately 4.5 to 5.5 mm³ million mm³, millimeter cube. इसमें 4.5 से 5.5 million mm³ RBC is there. RBC, it is a concave, circular or biconcave structure which not contain nucleus. RBC that not contain nucleus. If we see in the human being RBC, the nucleus is not there. It is the one of the living cells of human being that not contain nucleus, and its lifespan is of about 120 days. Lifespan is of 120 days, and RBC contain most important pigment, that is of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, and that help in the transportation of oxygen from lungs to different part of the body. That hemoglobin help in the transportation of oxygen from lungs to different part of the body, and new RBC will be formed inside the bone marrow. The RBC is normally formed inside the bone marrow. After that, that will be reserved in this and stored in the spleen. So RBC, the main function of RBC help in the transportation of oxygen and some amount of carbon dioxide also. So another type of red blood cells, another type of cells, that is of blood cells, that is of WBC. WBC means white blood cells, or we can say that is of leukocytes. Leukocytes are white blood cells. White blood cells is of two types. One is of, that is of agranulocytes. Agranulocytes, that agranulocytes does not contain any types of granules in them, but they contain log nucleus. Agranulocyte, that is of monocytes. Such type of structure is there, that is circular, and nucleus is there, but not contain any types of granule in them. That is of agranulocyte monocytes, and normally the number is of 2 to 8% of the total leukocytes. Their number is of 2 to 8% total. Their lifespan is of few days, means कुछ दिन तक, that is not fixed. Lifespan is of few days, and they also found inside the bone marrow. They also found inside the bone marrow. Another type of agranulocytes, that is of lymphocytes. This is one agranulocyte. Second one is of lymphocytes. Lymphocyte, it is present most abundantly about 20 to 23%. Maximum leukocytes, that is a type of lymphocyte, that is present 20 to 30% in the blood, and there may be two types, that is B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. There are two types, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, and both help in the protection of body from the different foreign pathogens, foreign particles. They protect our body from the foreign particles with the helping of antibodies. Inka main function है, they form the antibodies and protect our body from the foreign particle or foreign antigens. Then granulocytes. Granulocytes, these leukocytes contain locked nucleus and granules in them. Nucleus is locked. Now it is a two-locked or multi-locked. Locked nucleus and granules is also present in the these leukocytes or granulocytes. It is of three types. First one is of neutrophils. Neutrophils, according to staining techniques, it is differentiated into three types: neutrophils, basophils, or eosinophils. Neutrophils means they colorized with the neutral stain. That's why these are known as neutrophils, colorized the neutral stain, and they consist 60 to 70% of the total leukocytes. 60 to total granulocytes का ये 60 to 70% होती है, and their lifespan is of 10 to 12 hours. Lifespan, that is of 10 to 12 hours. Another type of granulocytes, that is of basophils. Basophils, these are stained by the basic stains. That's why their name is of basophils, and they are very few in the amount, that is 0.5 to 2%, and their lifespan is again 10 to 12 hours, about 10 to 12 hours. Whenever injury is there, they release from the body basophils, and they contain the specific heparin substance, which is the inflammatory substance. Means any injury is there, any shock is there, that helps in the inflammation of the body. And third type of leukocytes, that is of eosinophils. Or we can say acidophils. It is stained by the acidic stains. That's why there is known as eosinophils, and they form 2 to 4% of the total granulocytes. Eosinophils, and they stay by the acidic substance, and their lifespan is of few days. They survive few days in the nature. So these are the different types of leukocytes. Now, the last type of blood cells, that is of platelet. Platelets, these are spindle cells. Spindle cells again without nucleated, nucleus is absent, and spindle shaped plate is there, and the main function is of blood clotting. Their main function of platelet is of blood clotting. That whenever injury is there in human body, they flow with probe, and they help in the stop flowing of blood from the body. That process is not blood clotting, and we will discuss detail in blood clotting in the human physiology, blood circulation portion chapter. Here only its function is of blood clotting. Their lifespan is of few days, and they are found inside the bone marrow. Another type of fluid connective tissue, that is of lymph. Lymph and blood both are not separate. If we see, lymph contains two parts, that is plasma and leukocytes. Lymph contains two things, that is of plasma and another one is of leukocytes. Plasma, that is the brown substance, liquid portion of the body of the lymph, and another one is of leukocytes. It is the part of blood, not it separate from the blood. It is lymph is formed from the blood. Blood से ही बनता है. Whenever blood is contact with the cells, or at the site of cells, blood come out from the blood capillaries, and same will be again reinserted here, but the some portion of blood will not reinserted here in the blood capillaries. That part that form the lymph, and the lymph reinserted into the blood with the help of another system, that is of lymphatic system. That is of lymphatic system. Otherwise, it is the part of lymph. So this is the third type of connective tissue. Now, I briefly discuss in short the complete connective tissue again. Connective tissue that contains two parts. One is of matrix, another is of living cells, which is present inside the matrix. Matrix is of three types: liquid, solid, or jelly-like matrix. So, according to matrix, the connective tissue is of three types. First one is of proper connective tissue. Second one is of skeletal connective tissue, that is solid matrix, and proper is of jelly-like matrix. Third one is of fluid or vascular connective tissue. Fluid or vascular connective tissue. Proper connective tissue is of two types, that is loose and dense. Loose, that are again two types, areolar, and dense is of loose, areolar, and adipose. Dense is of two types, that is of tendon and ligament. Another one is of ligament. Skeletal connective tissue, it is of two types. One is of cartilage, and another one is of bone. and fluid connective tissue, that is of blood and lymph. So it is the connective tissue which help in join the different part, like the name, connect. It connects all the body part from each other. Connect the complete body part, so that these bones connected, cartilage connected, blood connected, the whole body parts, and everywhere in blood, in human body, that is cellular, adipose, and ligament and tendon tissue is there. So this is the connective tissue.